In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the lookup field in Airtable. A lookup lets you pull information from a linked table into the table you're working in, so you can reference details without copying and pasting. It stays in sync with the source, which is great for keeping a single source of truth. First, head to airtable.com and sign in. Open the base where you already have two tables connected by a linked record. The lookup field relies on that link. Without it, Airtable won't know where to retrieve data from. If your tables are already linked, you're set. Inside the table where you want the information to appear, add a new field or choose an existing field you want to convert. Click the field header, open the field configuration, and select the field type. From the list, choose Lookup. This tells Airtable you want to display values that live in another table. Next, select the linked record field that connects this table to the other one. This is the bridge Airtable will use to reach the source table. After that, pick the specific field from the linked table that you want to display. Maybe it's a name, an email, a status, or any other column stored on the linked records. Click Create Field or Save if you edited an existing one. Immediately, Airtable will populate the lookup column. You'll now see values pulled directly from the related records. If a row is linked to multiple records, you'll see multiple values in that cell. Note that lookup cells are read only. To change what you see, edit the data on the linked record or adjust the link itself. From here on, updates happen automatically. When someone edits the source field on a linked record, say changing a status or correcting a spelling, the lookup updates to reflect the latest value. There's no need to refresh the page or reconfigure anything. If you don't see a change right away, a quick page reload can help, but it usually updates in real time. A couple of quick tips as you work. Give your lookup field a clear name so teammates know what it references. If you need calculations, like counts, sums, or conditional logic, consider a rollup or a formula instead. Lookups are best for displaying existing values. And if your source field is rich, like attachments or multiple select, expect the lookup to show that same richness here. That's it. You've created a lookup, selected the link and source field, saved it, and confirmed the synced results.